Hi, welcome to this webinar with me, Sophie Kelly-Gagnon. I'm in charge of the training at COMAP, and today I will answer the question, why use the COMAP multi-layer system? So first, I'm going to describe the new COMAP multi-skin range, then some key points about the installation process, and at the end, the benefits that you get with the COMAP multi-layer system. So let's start with the new multi-skin range. First, the pipe. COMAP offers two types of pipe. First, the multi-skin 4. It's a pipe with a high thickness of aluminium. I mean 0.4 millimeters for the diameter 16. So in that case, the mechanical strength allows to build rising columns, and this pipe is also suitable for straight lines for exposed installation. Today, COMAP offers a pipe from the diameter 14 to 63 millimeters. And to give you some information about the application, with the highest diameter, so 63 millimeters, it's possible to supply more than 63 rooms, apartments for heating, and about 60 housings for sanitary water. The diameter 75 millimeters will be available this year. There is another type of pipe, the multi-skin 2, so from the diameter 14 to 32 millimeters. In that case, the layer of aluminium is lower, 0.2 millimeters for the pipe with the diameter 16. That means the mechanical strength is lower than the multi-skin 4, and this pipe is the solution for the underfloor heating and the built-in installation. Now the fitting. The new range of fitting was launched last year, so in 2019. So COMAP offers 3 types of fitting: a metal press fitting, a synthetic press fitting made of PPSU, and a fitting made of PPSU2. One important information is that all the COMAP multi-layer system of COMAP is in line with the European standard, is also certified NF, so the French standard, and COMAP guarantees its system 10 years. It's written here. So now I'm going to describe the metal press fitting. Actually, COMAP has kept all that was convenient from the previous range of fitting, and many new technologies were added to the fitting in order to improve it. So the body is made of brass and is also tin plated in order to have an aesthetic result and to avoid corrosion in built-in installation. There are also reinforcements on the body in order to improve the mechanical strength. The green ring, which is the visu control, is now removable. The aim of this visu control is to position properly the fitting in the connector and to know if the fitting is pressed or not. Indeed, there is almost no risk to fail a press process, but it's possible to forget one fitting. So if the green ring can't get off the fitting, it means the fitting is not pressed. Now it's possible to press this fitting with 3 different connectors, TH, H, and U. So the benefit is that if the installer wants to switch from another supplier to COMAP, he won't have to buy a new tool. The dielectric protection now, it's the white ring. The objective is to avoid contact between the brass and the aluminium, so the brass from the fitting and the aluminium from the pipe. In case of contact with between these two metals, it will lead to corrosion. The viewing window, now to be sure the pipe is properly inserted in the fitting. The protective cap, in order to avoid impurities inside the fitting. And now you can see the cannula. There is an O-ring with a no-seal functions. So that means if the fitting is not pressed, a leakage will occur when the seal test is done. As I said previously, it may happen to forget to press a fitting. So to be sure not to forget something. The shoulder against the body is in order to protect the O-ring in case if the pipe is not properly prepared. And the key point of the new technology is that the hydraulic properties were improved comparing with the previous fitting. The inner diameter is higher, and as a result, there are less pressure losses. Our laboratory in Lyon made some comparisons between the Comap fittings and our competitors' fitting. You can see the results in the table. For 3 kinds of fittings, so a sleeve, an elbow, a T with a diameter 16 here, are written in the table the KV value which were measured by the laboratory. ABC are our competitors. As you can see in the table, the Comap results are higher than the competitors' results. As a reminder, I didn't say it, the KV value is the flow when the delta P across the fitting is 1 bar. So it's the flow in the same operating conditions. That means using the Comap fittings is energy saving. And today it's really important to talk about energy saving and energy consumption. So here, it means that if you choose Comap, you can be sure that your installation is energy saving. Of course, comparing with a multi-layer system from another supplier. And at last, the traceability. All the traceability information are written on the fitting. Something important, you can also read UTHH, so the profiles in order to press the fitting. It's the purpose here is to avoid mistakes on the construction site. Now let's talk about the synthetic press fitting. First, here the fitting is not pressed, so you can see the visu control. It's still at its place. On the left and on the right side, the fitting is pressed, so the visu control is removed, and you can see here the result. What was improved comparing with the previous range of synthetic fitting is the mechanical strength. More matter is added on the body, and the fitting is shorter. It's in order to improve the mechanical strength. The fitting was also designed in order to remain flow line. This range was also improved regarding the hydraulic properties. There is less pressure loss than the previous range. The inner diameter is higher, and at the end of the cannula, there is a Venturi effect for the water. That's why the KV is also higher here, and the hydraulic properties were improved. The synthetic push fitting now. So the big advantage of this fitting is that it doesn't need any tool for the pipe connection, so it's very easy to install. The visu control is the red color here. So when there is no pipe, it's red, and when the pipe is inserted in the fitting, there is a white color. As the last one, I mean the synthetic press fitting, the mechanical strength is improved, so there are more matter on the body, there is more matter on the body, and the fitting is shorter. In order to handle the fitting easily, the shape is not fully round, so it doesn't slip in the end. It's important. On the cannula, there is a bonding ring and an O-ring. It's very important in the case of this fitting to prepare the pipe with the COMAP tools before the insertion. It's a key point of the installation. And also for the push fitting, there is less pressure loss, so it's energy saving comparing with the other multi-layer system. So in that case also, we have some nice hydraulic properties. Now let's move to the installation process. There are videos on YouTube, so I'm not going to do some practice. I'm just going to give you some key information about the installation. So to install the press fittings, here it's the metal press fitting. Cut the pipe perpendicularly. Calibrate the pipe. With the COMAP tool, it's better, but calibrate the pipe. It's essential in order to remove particles after cutting. These particles may hurt the O-ring, and it also facilitates the pipe insertion to prepare, to calibrate the pipe. Of course, remove the cap in three here and insert the pipe into the fitting until viewing the pipe through the view window. Now prepare the crimping machine. You may have to use either a jaw with a connector or a one-piece jaw. In the picture on the left side, it's a jaw here with an insert, a connector, so a TH connector. And in the picture on the right side, it's a one-piece jaw. The suitable profile is already inside. The key point here is to use the right press profiles and the jaw and insert and machine that work together. Now, if you use, so to position the fitting in the tool, if you use the TH profile that's in this picture, you can see that the visual control, so the green ring, has to be positioned into the groove, into the connector, as you can see here in the picture. If you use a U or a H profile, the visual control is set against the jaw. So it's not the same position. It depends on the profile you want to use. Of course, the same result is achieved. The two methods are certified. So at the end, we have the same mechanical connection, same mechanical strength for the connection, and the seal also is achieved. At the end, remove the green ring and it's done. So now let's say a word about the benefits. That's really important. Regarding the product, you can keep in mind three important benefits. The multi-profile, so TH, H, and E. There is no need to buy a new piece of equipment. The visual control, the traceability, is just to say that U, TH, and H are written on the casing, so it's in order to avoid mistakes. The aesthetic result now, the visu control is now removable, so the result is aesthetic. And something very important, the hydraulics property are really improved and is really are higher than our competitors' fitting. So the purpose here is when you use the COMAC multi-layer system, it's less energy consuming. Another benefit is about the whole installation, for example, here around the radiator. Don't forget that COMAC also manufactures radiator valves. So with the COMAC offer, you can install the whole heating installation. So the pipe, the fittings, the thermostatic valve, and the thermostatic head. With this kind of fittings, so the M22 fittings, the result will be aesthetic, compact, and efficient. So don't forget that it's very important to have something aesthetic and convenient, and you can have the whole installation with the COMAC offer. COMAC also provide all the tools you can need for the installation or to sell the product. The catalog here, you can find in the catalog all the COMAC products. Some leaflets for the wholesaler, for example, some data, some technical data, so the technical manual in order to size an installation, all the data sheet. Don't forget, you can find also the BIM data in the COMAC website. You can download all the BIM data. And for the installers, some instructions and some videos. The logistic platform, so in Chessy in France, the purpose here is to deliver as quickly as possible. We also provide training sessions, so it can be face-to-face training sessions, it can be online sessions, but we are ready to do training to our customers or about all the COMAC offers, all the COMAC products, and of course about the networks. So it's the end. Thank you for attending this webinar. You can join us on GoExpert, which is the magazine of plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. You can join us also on the social media. Thank you, bye-bye, and take care.